Go through a quick practice to help ground our energy. So hands in front of the belly, going to lift the arms up over the head, just bringing them into the prayer position in front of the chest, and breathe. Feel light entering the heart and let go of anxiety. So you're feeling the ground supporting you and connecting your energy. So your mind connects with the body connects with the earth. And then bring the hands forward so that the 3 fingers touch the index, thumb, and middle finger, and bring the hands onto the belly. So we're grounding into the belly, starting to deepen our breath, not only breathing in through the chest, but also expanding the diaphragm. So as you inhale, the diaphragm goes down. As you exhale, the diaphragm contracts, goes up. So as you inhale, just let go and allow the air to fill the lungs, fill the body. As you exhale, gently contract the ribs and the abdomen muscles to push the diaphragm, push the air up. The diaphragm contracts, and then just simply release again. And so you realize that movement or breathing is a kind of movement that is rhythmic. It's like a wave. And with each breath, there's a letting go and there's an absorption. And Qigong is just an extension of that, where you start to breathe and move at the same time and tune into that energy so you can balance it, you can harmonize it. And anytime you need to ground or calm your mind, just try this practice, bringing the hands to the belly or gathering the qi around you and centering it in front of the heart. Sometimes a gentle inner smile can help to lift your mood. And tune into the present moment. So I hope this helps, and take care.